Hi and welcome back. Imagine this. It's a warm sunny day and David, a young professional working in Nairobi, has finally decided to build his dream home. He is meticulous about every detail and wants a sleek modern flat roof design to complete his project. Excited and ready to get started, he hires a contractor. But like many first-time builders, he overlooks a crucial step, choosing the right roofing material. One rainy evening, after moving into his beautiful home, David hears a steady drip in his living room. He walks in to find a puddle of water collecting right under his brand new flat roof. Frustrated and confused, he wonders what went wrong. Was it poor installation, cheap materials? Could it have been avoided? David's experience, unfortunately, is not unique. Flat roofs, while stylish and modern, require careful selection of materials and expert installation to avoid costly mistakes. Here's what David learned the hard way, lessons you won't have to learn if you stick with us to the end. Let's break down the top materials for flat roofs and how each could affect your project. Number one, modified bitumen roofing, a popular choice for durability and weather resistance. Ideal for homes in areas with heavy rainfall because of its waterproof properties. Number two, EPDM, a synthetic rubber material known for flexibility and longevity. Excellent for reducing energy cost because of its reflective surface. Number three, concrete slabs, highly durable but must be properly waterproofed to prevent leaks, often combined with waterproof membranes for added protection. And finally, number four, corrugated iron sheets with waterproofing coating. Number one, cost effective but requires a professional touch to ensure proper drainage. Number two, with the right coating, it can resist rust and last many years. At this point, you are probably wondering, how can I avoid ending up like David? The answer lies in choosing the right construction partner. At Veewave Enterprises, we offer comprehensive construction management services, connecting you with reputable suppliers and expert service providers. Our mission is to ensure your flat roof and your entire project stands strong, stays within budget, and is completed on time. Want to master your construction project without financial headaches? Order our exclusive ebook, Mastering Construction Budgeting, now available on our website. It's packed with tips, strategies, and insights to keep your project on track from start to finish. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with friends who might be building soon, and subscribe for more construction insights and tips. Let's build your dreams together.